In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish or delete a project on Behance. Whether you need to remove an old project that's no longer relevant or temporarily take one down for updates, I'll guide you through the straightforward process to get that done. First things first, let's start by heading over to the Behance website. Open your web browser and type in behance.net and press enter. If you aren't already logged in, make sure to do so with your credentials. This is crucial as you'll need access to your personal profile to manage your projects. Once you're on the Behance homepage, you'll want to go to your profile. You'll usually find this by looking for your avatar or profile icon, often located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it, and it will take you to your personal page where all your published projects are displayed. Now that you're viewing your profile with your projects laid out in front of you, the next step involves hovering over the project you wish to delete or unpublish. Move your cursor over the project card. As you do this, a few options will typically become visible, often in the form of small icons or buttons. When you hover over the project, you should see a delete option. This is usually represented by an icon or clearly labeled as delete. Click on it if your intention is to permanently remove the project from your Behance portfolio. Be cautious here. Deleting a project is a permanent action, and once you confirm the deletion, there won't be a way to retrieve it. If you're not looking to delete the project entirely, and perhaps just want to make it invisible to the public temporarily, the unpublish option is what you should be looking for. Again, you'll find this option by hovering over the project. The unpublish function will allow you to remove the project from public view without deleting it from your drafts. This is especially useful if you need to make edits or updates without losing the existing project structure or feedback. Once you click on either the delete or unpublish button, the platform might prompt you to confirm your action. This step is an additional measure to ensure you don't accidentally remove something without meaning to. Make sure to confirm your choice if you're certain of your action. By following these steps, you'll have successfully unpublished or deleted a project on Behance. It's a simple process once you know where to find the relevant options. Whether you're reevaluating your portfolio or simply updating projects, you now have the tools to manage your Behance profile with ease. Thanks for watching and happy creating on Behance.